Hi guys, I am going to try fufu and goat soup today. This is my first time trying this food, but I'm so excited because I've always wanted to try fufu. It's everywhere. It's literally like trending everywhere. Like everybody eats it but me. So finally, I'm gonna try it today. Ooh. I think I got the okra. Okay, I'm so excited. Ooh, look at this. It's warm and hot. Warm. Ooh, so exciting. I've seen how they eat it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it right today, but hopefully I do. Ooh, so good. Okay. Just gonna keep it in the plastic. I'm supposed to remove it from the plastic, but okay, so you take a piece, okay, and you go like this. I don't know if I was doing it right. Look, I'm hungry. Then you dip it. But it's sticky. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Oh well. I think they do it like this. And then they go like this. I love okra. And I got the okra. But I'm not too good at this. Okay. I think that's too much. I'm gonna take half. It's getting a little bit messy here. Anything to try this food. It's just so good. Oh my gosh. Well, I wanted to try to eat it with a spoon. I don't think it's a good idea. Ooh, spices. The goat is good. A little bit chewy. Almost swallowed the bone. I'm so hungry. I starved myself to eat this. Yeah, so hungry. My stomach is crying. My stomach is making sounds. The goat meat is a little bit chewy, but it's okay. A lot of meat here. Man. So fufu. I really don't know if I'm eating the fufu right. It has a lot of spices in it, but my stomach is kind of sensitive from spices that much. But I want to try it, so I want to try it. Ooh, it's kind of spicy. That's why my stomach is crying out loud. Ooh. Mm-hmm. It is really good, y'all. Ooh. I'm in a total mess here. I don't know if I'm eating the meat right, but I'm eating the meat, so I'm not sure I'm eating it good, but I ate. Oh well. Oh, spicy. I didn't order it spicy, but it has a lot of spices. The bone. Pretty much full. This, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And I'm all messy. But this is really good. Really good. Would I ever buy it again? Yes. I want to try it with my friends next time. The meat is a little bit chewy. If they cook it more, it would be better. I like the meat. I don't want to fight with the meat. That's good. Ooh. To be honest, I would order this again. But something else. Because I wanted to try this one. I think this one is okra. Okra goat soup. It's good, but a little bit spicy. I don't know if they sell non-spicy because they didn't say. There was no options. So I just ordered this because I didn't know. All I wanted to do is try the bouncy fufu. Yeah. This is actually good. Like, I wanted to try it to do it from home, but I wouldn't think it was gonna be easy for me to do it. It was gonna be fail, that's for sure. But I would definitely order that again. I think that's it. I really like it. Would order it again. I would give it 8.5 out of 10. And I recommend it for you guys who never tried fufu and the beef goat. You should try it. It's really good. It's really nice to try new culture food, new stuffs. I like to try everything, so I'm down to try everything. This one was really good, but I'm full right now, so I ate as much as I could. I was starving, and I'm finally full. This is still delicious, like really. The meat should have cooked it even more for the meat to become smoother, but I think maybe that's how they're supposed to cook it. I don't know. Not an expert, but I love it. I give it 8.5 out of 10. It's delicious. It's gonna be a good experience when I go out with my friends and try it. It's gonna be my second time trying fufu. But if you guys never tried fufu, you should go try. It's delicious. But if you have a sensitive stomach, or you have acid reflux, anything from that, you should be careful because this is spicy. Like, not spicy. To me, it's spicy. It's pretty much balanced between the little bit spiciness and the spicy. So it has spices in it. So if you have a stomach that can't handle spicy or seasoning, I can't handle seasoning or spiciness. And I didn't know. That's why my stomach is crying so loud. But I really like it and it's delicious. Would I try it again? Hell yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll try more food. Let me know what you want me to try next, because I'm down to try everything. Okay, peace out.